Want to learn how you can use the subscript and superscript in Google document, then I'll show you in this tutorial. So I'm on the Google document file, which is formula. So we have the popular formula, which says E equals to mc squared, methane, CH4, and water, which is H2O. So basically, E equals to mc squared. It is not written in the correct order. We want this 2 to be at the top of C. Basically, we want the C to be raised to power of 2. For you to achieve that, you need to use the superscript function. And you start by highlighting the number 2. Highlight the 2 like this. That's the first thing you need to do. Then once you do that, come to format, right? Then come to text, then click on superscript. Then it has changed these two, to a superscript of C. So the same thing for methane. We want this 4 to be a subscript of H, methane, which is CH4, right? So the first thing we need to do is to highlight the 4, the number 4. Then go to format. Then we click on format like this. Then we'll now come to text and we can click on subscript, and that's it. It has come to the bottom. The same thing for water, which is H2O. We want the 2 to be at the bottom of H. So for us to do that, we highlight the number 2 like this, right? Once we highlight 2, then we come to format, click on format, then come to text. Once you click on text, then click on the subscript, which is 2. Then we've successfully written the formula of water in the scientific or acceptable term, right? So this is basically how you use the subscript and the superscript function in Google document. If you find this tutorial helpful, ensure you subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you.